Hello everyone, this is Shanik Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online YouTube class. My dear students, you also know that time third chapter and that chapter name is rational number. So my dear students, before class we have discussed about the addition of rational number and subtraction of rational number, and today we have discussed about multiplication of rational number. So my dear students, you also know how to multiply the rational number. If you don't know, so you listen carefully what I say and what I wrote on the board. So firstly you listen carefully. So in multiplication of rational number, firstly that's the a by b and c by d form of any question. Okay, when you multiply with that number, firstly that's the form of number a into c and b into d, that's the product of number. Yeah, another way, that's the just like multiplication of rational number equal to total product of numerator upon product of denominator. That's the form of rational number of multiplication. So my dear students, let us start. So you see what I wrote on the board, that's the multiplication of rational number. Okay, it means a product of two rational numbers equal to a product of numerator upon product of denominator. Okay, so that's the form, that's the rule of multiplication of rational number. Okay, next year just like that's the question format. What is the format of your question and what is the format of your answer, how to solution, and that's the product of denominator. It means that's the multiplication of rational number. Okay, so that's the question format, a by b and c by d. That's the format of the question of multiplication of rational number. Okay, and next year, and that's the format of the product of rational number of solution format. Okay, so if question form is a by b and c by d, yeah, another way, a by b upon a by b into c by d, you start the solution with that rules, a into c upon b into d. That's the format of your solution. Okay, so you also see one example for here how to solve it. That's the question. It is just like 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 2. That's the question format. And how to solve them? So you start, 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 2. How to solve it? That's the format of your answer. What is the format of your answer? You solve it a into c. It means a, b, c, d. So a into c, that's the format, a into c upon 3 into 2. It means b into d. That's the format. When you multiply with the number 2 5s are 10 and next year 3 2s are 6. That's your answer. If you want to cut it, that's the also cut in 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. That's the format of your answer. Okay, and next year that's another question in that format. In multiplication of rational number, you also see 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. By means multiply. Okay, so that's here 3 by 4 multiply 5 by 7. Multiply 5 by 7. That's the question format, not the answer format. So how to solve them? Firstly you multiply with a into c upon b into d. That's the format of your multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, so next year when you multiply 3 multiply 5 into a into c. Okay, and next year 4 into 7. That's the format of your answer sheet. Okay, next year when you multiply with that number 5 4 3 5s are 15 and 4 7s are 28. So that's your answer. Okay, so my dear student, in multiplication that's so easy. If you want to any product, just like here 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 2 by 2. So how to solve? That's the very simple. Firstly you multiply with that number, a into b into c, and here a into b, c into d, e into f. That's the multiple. Just like here 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, next here 3 into 2 into 2. When you multiply, after that you get your answer. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Okay, next year 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja, that's the 12. 2 3 ja 6, 6 6 2 ja 12. Next year 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, and that's the answer is equal to 1. Is that simple? So my dear students, when you solve the any question of product of multiplication of rational number, that's a very simple. Firstly you multiply with that number. It means product of, firstly you find the product of numerator upon divide by product of denominator. After that you find your answer, and that's the way of product of multiplication of rational number. That's so easy. So my dear student, firstly write in your copy, and you also write some example, some question, and solve the question of in your book. Okay, and next we have discussed it next topic. So firstly write down your copy. Okay, so our next topic is rational number of division. Okay, division of rational number. That's the division of rational number. Okay, so my dear student, when solve that type of question, rational number, division of rational number. So firstly you take some points here. If a by b and c by d are two rational number, then how to solve it? Here c by d not equal to 0. Here c by d not equal to 0, and that's the form of, that's the question format. That's the question format. If question is a by b divided by c by d. Okay, so what is the answer format? It means a by b upon reciprocal of c by d. So my dear student, what is the reciprocal? First, reciprocal, what is? It means just opposite. Okay, so here c by d, here c by d, it means d by c. That's the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just opposite. Just opposite. Which number is which number is denominator, that's change in numerator, and which number is numerator change in denominator. Okay, so that's the just here c by d. What is the reciprocal form of c by d? It means d by c. So just here a by b into d by c. That's the so easy. Okay, here one question available. So firstly you take here 50. That's the question format. That's the question. And what is the answer from a by b multiply d by c? A by b multiply d by c. So first here 7 by 50. That's here multiply. C by d. C by d. That's here. And next d by c. It means 3 by 3. That's the format of question, solution. Okay. So when you next year 7 multiply 3 and 15 multiply 2. Okay, you solve it. 7 3s are 21 and 5 2s are 30. That's your answer. Okay, it means that number, it means second format c by d, you convert in reciprocal of that number. Reciprocal of that number. So just numerator convert in denominator, and denominator convert in numerator. Okay, next question also here. You see that question 5 by 20 divide 5 by 4. How to solve it? Okay, when you start solve the question, firstly you write down 5 by 20. It means a by b. Okay, next here c by d, and convert in that form d by c. 4 multiply 5. That's the 30, and that's also 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. It means 1 by 5. Sorry, 1 by 5. That's your answer. If you also want to write in that format, just like here 5 multiply 4 and 20 multiply 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20, and next 25s are 100. So 21s are 20 and 25. 1 by 5 your answer. Okay, next question also available here. The cost of 15 pencil. It means 15, cost of 15 pencil. 15 pencil cost, 15 pencil cost is equal to 135 rupees. 135. So what is the cost of? So 1 pencil cost equal to what is? It means divide 135 divided by 35. Okay, that's your answer. What is? Okay, it means 35. So that's your answer. You divide it, then you. Okay, here 5. How many? What is the cost of 5 here 5, you write here 5, 15 pencil cost 135 rupees. So what is the cost of one pencil? One pencil cost equal to 135 divided by 15. That's your answer is 9. It means each pencil cost 9 rupees. Okay, my dear student. In this class we have discussed about rational number, subtraction of rational number, addition of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational number. So today's our all third chapter all topic is complete. And my dear students, you complete your third chapter all exercise complete. If you have any publication of book, so you also solve the all question. Then if you have any problem, then you also share what's your problem. Okay, and you also write in your copy, and next day we have discussed about our next new chapter. Okay, my dear student, so you stay home, save your life, and continue your study. Okay, thank you.
सब खा लेना था,